Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to merge cells in a table in Canva to organize data more clearly and create cleaner layouts. This is especially useful for headings, or when we need to combine information across columns. On the Canva dashboard, we can insert a table by first clicking on Elements and then searching for Table. From there, we will choose the table we want. So here is our table. When we want to merge 3 or more cells, we simply highlight them in the table. As we can see, these 3 cells are now selected, and then we right-click on them. We will then see the option to merge cells. And just like that, the cells are merged. We can do this again by highlighting more cells whenever needed. Whether we want to merge 2, 3, or 4 cells, we just highlight them and merge. And that is how we merge cells in a Canva table in just a few simple steps. Our tables will look more structured and professional.